Hello everyone, welcome back to Technojanlogy. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. Today I am going to show you an incredibly simple trick that will save you hours of work. How to combine data from multiple sheets into one in just a second. We have all been there working with multiple sheets in Excel and needing to consolidate all the data into a single sheet. It can be tedious and time consuming, but today I am going to show you how to do it in just a few clicks. I'll be working with 3 sheets, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 5. And by the end of this video, we'll have all their data combined into a single sheet named Combine. So here's what we are working with. On sheet 1, I have listed the names of the sheet I want to combine. This way, the code knows exactly where to pull the data from. It's a simple yet powerful method that you can easily adapt to your own projects. First, we will clear any old data from the combined sheets to make way for the new data. This ensures that we are working with a clean slate. Now, let's dive into the VBA code that makes this magic happen. Here's where we define the target sheet, the destination sheet, and a specific range of data we want to pull. And the best part, you can customize this to fit your exact needs. Whether you have 2 sheets or 10, this code has got you covered. Alright, here comes the exciting part. Press F5 to run the code and watch as all the data from your selected sheets gets combined into one in a matter of seconds. Just like that, you have saved yourself hours of manual work, right? So, need to combine data from more sheets? No problem. Just add the sheet names to sheet 1, run the code again, and you are also all set. It's that easy. With this trick up your sleeve, you can impress your boss, your colleagues, and even your friends. Show them just how efficient you can be with Excel and let them wonder how you got it all done so fast. Right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one. Got a topic you want me to cover next? Drop a comment below. I am always looking for new ideas, and hey, don't keep this to yourself. Share it with your friends and colleagues so they can save time too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay productive and keep exploring.